Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by picking gear and scene that create depth. Use a 35mm 85mm lens for natural compression and set aperture between f/1, 8 and f/5, 6 depending on desired separation. Position a clear foreground element, rock, branch, or person, close to the lens to establish scale. Then meter for the subject and lock exposure, making sure background highlights don't clip. Once framed, exaggerate distance between foreground, subject, and background to create layered planes that the eye can travel. Next, you develop three-dimensionality with composition and light. Create leading lines and use converging perspective to pull viewers through the scene. Move low or high to change foreground proportion. Add side light, a reflector, or subtle fill flash to model form and cast short shadows. These cues define planes and texture. For scenes where you want everything sharp, shoot focus stacks. For mood, choose shallow focus and keep the subject crisply separated. Make incremental adjustments and review histograms as you go. Finish by editing to reinforce depth. Increase global contrast modestly, add targeted clarity to midtones, and sharpen only the subject to keep separation. Use selective masks to slightly blur or desaturate background, then apply a soft vignette to direct attention. Balance color temperature so foreground and background read differently. Cool backgrounds recede while warm foregrounds advance. If the image still looks flat, reintroduce directional light digitally, or on set and boost micro-contrast in problem areas to recover dimensionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.